Good morning, traders. Nick Messenger, Market Dealers, here to bring our daily market bias video for Friday, January 28th. It's exactly 6:30 a.m. on the East Coast. We were to take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia trade mainly lower with the exception of the Aussie and the Japanese Nikkei exchanges, which are trading higher at the present time. Currently, right now in Europe, and its current ongoings, Europe is open and trading. All of Europe is trading to downside, with most of these exchanges trading to negative triple-digit territory. Now, we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands. U.S. dollar is trading higher. The bonds, however, are trading lower. In fact, the entire bond universe is trading lower. The S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average all pointing to a lower open. Until a while ago, the S&P and the Dow Jones Industrials were pointing lower. NASDAQ was pointing higher. That has now changed, whereby everything is pretty much pointing to the downside. Gold is trading lower. Crude oil is trading higher. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets. At 8:30 a.m., we have core PCE price index, unemployment cost index, personal income, personal spending. These are major. These are proven market movers. At 10 a.m., we have revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. These are not considered to be major because they are revised numbers, and there's always greater weight associated with preliminary as opposed to revised. All this being said, a bias is neutral. And the reason why I'm suggesting a neutral bias is we're not seeing very much in the way of correlation at all here. The indices themselves are pointing lower. However, the bonds are trading lower, which does not make any sense at all. What we ought to be seeing is the bonds trading higher. If the indices themselves are trading lower, that's not happening. They're both trading lower right now. Gold is trading lower as well, and basically what we ought to be seeing is the indices pointing higher. That's not happening right now. Again, we're not seeing much in the way of correlation, hence our bias is neutral or mixed, if you will, which pretty much means the markets could go anywhere today. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in the volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.